Welcome, curious minds, to a journey through the marvels of our incredible planet. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of strange natural phenomena that defy the ordinary and leave us in awe. From moving islands to spider rain, join us as we explore the bizarre and fascinating occurrences that Mother Nature has up her sleeve. Get ready for a roller coaster of the extraordinary as we dive into the world of peculiar wonders that make our Earth a truly remarkable place. The moving island. What we know about the world in which we live is that the earthly element is fixed and does not move easily, unlike other natural elements such as fire, water, and wind. Thousands of years may pass for the lands and continents to move only a few meters, and this separation between the lands cannot happen from one night to the next. But nature is fickle and always surprises us with unusual phenomena that leave us in a state of shock and amazement, such as what happens in this video, where a huge island in Uganda moved from its place with all the grass, trees, and stones on it. The reason behind this strange phenomenon is an earthquake that struck the region and caused cracks in the Earth's crust. But the way the island responded in this way and moved tens of meters was something unusual and had never happened this way before. The fountain tree. The first thing that may come to your mind when you see this unique natural phenomenon is that this tree contains water pipes inside it. But the surprise that may shock you is that this phenomenon is completely natural, as the mulberry tree turns into a flowing water fountain every time it rains heavily. A powerful waterfall of water flows from inside the tree like a real waterfall. What happens is that heavy rain collects in the form of groundwater under the surface of the earth, and the high pressure leads to pushing groundwater from the bottom of the soil into the tree's interior. And this is what made the cracks inside the tree transform to openings from which groundwater flows like a waterfall in such abundance. Snowflakes. You might think at first glance that someone had made these snowflakes and then suddenly disappeared, but that is not the case. So you might think that aliens or unnatural forces were the ones who made them. In fact, both beliefs are incorrect, as these snow rolls in front of you are created by nature itself. When the wind is strong, it is able to roll small handfuls of snow, which increases in size and swells as the wind strength increases. There are several other factors for the formation of snow rolls, the most important of which is that the surface, the ground, is icy and slippery, and this prevents the adhesion of freshly fallen snow. The surface of the ground must also be slightly curved to help the snow rolls swell. The final result of the gathering of all these natural factors in one place is an enchanting scene created by nature, transforming the barren expanses into a vision of serene magnificence. Floating ball lightning. Scenes of strong lightning have always been associated with horror films and mysterious incidents, such as this video that recently spread of this mysterious phenomenon, which terrified residents after a ball of lightning appeared floating in the air next to a train station. It appears that a thunderbolt descended on the railway, given the nature of the place full of columns. The lightning bolt formed in the form of a huge lightning ball, and it moved between the steel poles just as electrical charges move inside wires. Investigations conducted at the place from which this lightning ball struck proved that all animals that were close to the lightning ball were killed immediately. The electrical tension inside thunderbolts reaches about 300 million volts, and this huge number is enough to kill any living creature nearby from a distance of more than 10 meters. Fortunately, there were no people in the vicinity next to the ball lightning. The smoking elephant.
At the first glance at which you see this rare scene, you may think that the elephant is actually smoking, but the truth behind this is different and shocking. This video was taken in the spring of 2018 in one of the Indian national parks, where the elephant appears exhaling smoke from its mouth as if it were smoking. It was not the case, just smoke coming from inside the elephant, because in cold weather, it was real smoke coming out in a way similar to a steam engine. The video was captured by the cameras of the inspection and reconnaissance teams that supervised the protection of the park. It was later found that the smoke coming from the elephant's mouth was the result of the elephant eating burning coal. This made the elephant look like it was smoking. Charcoal is an important component of elephants' lunch. It contains anti-toxic elements that keep diseases away from elephants, which is why elephants love to search for and eat charcoal. It seems that this elephant did not wait for the coal to cool down and ate it hot.
Ring rainbow. A strange and rare scene where the rainbow appears in a circular shape and appears as a giant halo surrounding the city. The rainbow is a natural physical phenomenon resulting from the refraction and decomposition of sunlight through a drop of rainwater. It appears during rainfall and the sun is shining, and the rainbow takes a semicircular shape. In this beautiful scene, it is as if a hidden force formed the rainbow into this wonderful circular shape. Mud volcano. You may think that the cause of this phenomenon is a giant creature making its way to the surface, but the real cause is an active mud volcano. Mud volcanoes are a unique natural phenomenon characterized by eruptions of mud and gases instead of traditional lava. This phenomenon occurs when water mixes with clay and natural gases underground and explodes to the surface, forming a mud volcano. Lava waterfall. Can you believe this scene you are seeing? The volcano's molten lava flows gracefully over a cliff, resembling a fiery waterfall. This rare phenomenon, which blends the raw power of volcanic activity with the tranquil beauty of flowing water, captivates onlookers. While at night the lava cascade tells another story, more amazing and beautiful. It is like a fantasy scene. Blue lava. It is common knowledge that the color of volcanic lava is either red or orange, but nature always surprises us with unusual phenomena. In Indonesia, volcanic lava flows blue in a strange and wonderful phenomenon. The reason for the change in color of volcanic lava is due to sulfur dioxide gas, which mixes with water vapor, which makes lava appear in this magical way. It is a rare phenomenon. The Yellow River. This scene may look like an artistic painting, but it is actually the tributaries of the Yellow River in China, where the streams of the tributaries change according to the seasons of the year, making the water appear in different shapes. It is a rare and extremely beautiful phenomenon. As we conclude our expedition into the realm of peculiar natural phenomena, each phenomenon we've explored showcases the astonishing diversity of Earth's landscapes and the unpredictability of its forces. Nature's surprises are boundless, and our journey today is just a glimpse into the many mysteries waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, stay amazed, and let's continue to marvel at the wonders that make our world truly unique. Until next time, keep exploring.